Hi everyone, this is Ms. Helms, and by the end of this video, you should be able to use slopes to classify lines as parallel or perpendicular. This problem asks us to consider these points A, B, C, and D, and we are asked, are lines A, B, and CD parallel, perpendicular, or neither? So the first thing we need to do is calculate the slope of each line. We want to take a look at the slope of line AB. And we also want to take a look at the slope of line CD. So for the slope of line AB, we look at our y values. So we have -4 minus 8 over our x values, -15 minus 9. We're going to go ahead and simplify that. -4 minus 8 is -12. And -15 minus 9 is -24. Simplifying this further, -12 over -24 simplifies to a positive 1/2. Doing the same thing for the slope of line CD, we're going to look at our y values first. So -2 minus a -10 over 1 minus 5. This simplifies to -2 plus 10, which is 8, over 1 minus 5, which is -4. Again, simplifying further, this is a -2 over 1. So the last step is now comparing these. What we learned prior to this is that if lines have the same slope, they're parallel, and if lines have slopes that are opposite reciprocals, they're perpendicular. If they don't meet either of those qualifications, then they would be neither. So taking a look at these two slopes, we have slope of AB is positive 1/2 and slope of CD is -2 over 1. Well, the signs are opposite of each other. One is positive and one is negative. So these slopes are opposite of each other. And we can also see that 1/2 is the reciprocal of 2 over 1, or we switch the placement of the numerator and the denominator. So these are both opposite reciprocals of each other. Therefore, these lines are perpendicular. One other way that we could have checked that is to take the product of these two slopes. So 1/2 times -2 over 1 is equal to -1. If we see that the product of the slopes of two lines is -1, we also know that's another check to show that lines are perpendicular. Nice work!